how to look attractive in the next 24 hours. Listen carefully, because this is not some basic. Wash your face and hope for the best. Type advice. These are real, science-backed, appearance-boosting steps that you can do today, right now, and actually see a difference by tomorrow morning. Most people don't look bad. They just look tired, unpolished, or unstructured. And fixing a few key things in one day can completely change how attractive you look. This is your 24-hour transformation, your reset, your glow-up switch. Let's start. Tip 1. Fix your skin texture with the fastest 24-hour routine. In the next 24 hours, your skin needs 3 things: cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and deep hydration. Use a simple face wash, not the harsh one. Then use a very light exfoliating face scrub. Just once, only today, not every day. This removes the dead skin sitting on your face and instantly makes your skin look brighter. After that, apply a thick, hydrating moisturizer, something that makes you look slightly dewy. Your skin will absorb it through the night, and by morning, your face will look smoother, clearer, and healthier. This one step alone can level up your attractiveness in a few hours. Tip 2. Fix your hair shape. Not your hairstyle, your hair shape. Most people don't look bad. They just have messy hair with no structure. Wash your hair. Condition it. Blow dry it in the direction you want it to sit. Styling your hair while it's wet does nothing. The shape comes from the blow dry, not the hair product. Use the product only after the hair is dry, and you will instantly look 10 times cleaner, more put together, more attractive, because controlled hair makes your whole face look sharper. Tip 3. Fix your eyebrows, but don't reshape them. Just clean them. Take a small scissor, trim the long eyebrow hair. Take tweezers. Remove the extra ones between or far outside your natural shape. You don't want thin feminine eyebrows. You want clean masculine, sharp, defined, but still natural. This alone can make you look like you slept more, like you take care of yourself, like you have better genetics, but it's just grooming. Tip 4. Fix your face puffiness. People underestimate this. Facial puffiness destroys attractiveness. It makes your jaw look softer, your eyes look smaller, and your face look tired. For the next 24 hours, drink more water. Add a pinch of salt to the first glass. Put a cold spoon or ice on your face for 3 minutes, especially on the under eyes and jawline. After that, avoid sugar and junk for the rest of the day. By tomorrow, your face will look tighter, sharper, more defined, like you lost fat overnight. But really, you just removed inflammation. Tip 5. Fix your jawline definition. In just 24 hours, you can boost your jaw visibility. The trick is simple. Chew gum for 10 minutes. Relax. Chew again for 10 minutes. Repeat 4 times today. Don't overdo it. You're not building the muscle in one day. You're activating it, which reduces fluid and tightens the skin a bit. Also add the ice massage. This combination makes your jawline pop more in pictures and real life. Tip 6. Fix your smell. Because nobody finds an attractive guy attractive if he smells bad. Take a long shower. Use a good scented body wash. Scrub your armpits, groin, neck, behind the ears. These are the areas where smell sticks the most. After the shower, use a deodorant, then a perfume. Spray it on your clothes, not your skin, and instantly, people will like being near you, and you'll feel more confident, which boosts your attractiveness even more. Tip 7. Fix your outfit. But here is the truth. You don't need a new wardrobe. You don't need expensive brands. You just need clean, fitted, solid color clothes, one good shirt, one good pant, one good pair of shoes. If the fit is clean, you look rich. If the colors match, you look attractive. If the clothes are ironed, you look like someone who has their life together. And that is one of the most attractive things a man can show. Tip 8. Fix your posture. Your posture decides how people see you. Bad posture makes you look insecure, weak, unsure. Good posture makes you look confident, tall, strong, attractive, stand straight, chest slightly out, shoulders back, neck aligned, walk slower, move controlled. This one change can make people think you had a full glow up, even though it's just posture. Tip 9. Fix your lips. Because dry, cracked lips ruin your whole look. Even if your skin is clear, even if your jawline is sharp, Bad lips make your face look unhealthy and tired. So for the next 24 hours, apply a good lip balm. Not the shiny one, just a simple hydrating one. Put a light layer every few hours, especially before sleeping. Drink enough water throughout the day, because most lip dryness is actually dehydration. And stop licking your lips. It makes them even more dry. By tomorrow, your lips will look healthier, smoother, more natural, and way more attractive. Tip 10. Fix your eyes. Your eyes are the first thing people notice. If they look tired, you look unattractive, put ice or a cold cloth. Then apply a tiny amount of moisturizer. If you have eye bags, sleep today. Even a 20-minute nap helps. Avoid screens for at least 2 hours before sleeping. Tomorrow morning, your eyes will look bigger, clearer, more alive, and this boosts attractiveness instantly. Tip 11. Fix your facial expression. Most guys look angry or sad or bored because they don't control their resting face. Practice this. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Keep your jaw relaxed. And maintain a neutral calm expression. You will instantly look more approachable, more confident, and more photogenic. Girls notice this. Everyone notices this. Tip 12. Fix your energy. Attractiveness is not only how you look, it's a vibe you give. Move slowly. Speak slowly. Talk less. Don't rush anything today. When you slow down, your energy becomes masculine, grounded, controlled. This makes you look way more attractive, even if you don't change anything else. Tip 13. Fix your confidence without faking it. Here's the fastest way. Do 3 things in the next 24 hours. Number 1. Clean your room. Number 2. Make your bed. Number 3. Finish one important task you've been avoiding. These small wins boost your brain chemicals, and suddenly you feel better. You look better, and people sense that confidence. Tip 14. Fix your overall glow. This is a final step. Your lighting, your angles, your grooming, your clothes, your posture, your smell, your skin, your hair, all come together. When you take care of yourself consciously, just for one day, not for anyone else, but for you, that energy shows, and people feel it. They see the difference. They feel the difference. And that is what makes you attractive, because attractiveness is not magic. It's not genetics. It's small, smart, intentional steps, all done in 24 hours. Do these 14 things today, and by tomorrow, you will look cleaner, sharper, more confident, more defined, more fresh, more attractive, and more in control of your life. This is your 24-hour glow up. Use it and watch how people react differently.